Spacious, move-in ready, super convenient location. Open concept, split floor plan. New porcelain wood look tile in the living room, dining/kitchen and bedrooms. Freshly painted interior. This home has great features including 9-foot ceiling height, privacy fencing around a good-sized backyard, with firepit. The living room has 9-foot ceilings and triple sliding doors that open to a wide-screened porch overlooking the privacy-fenced backyard. Kitchen has granite counters, stainless appliances, microwave is less than a year old. The laundry room is convenient to the second and third bedrooms. The front entry is screened. Home has a lot of natural light. Large master bath has double vanity, ample counter space, a soaking tub and walk-in shower. Smart features that can be controlled from a phone app include digital locks, electronic thermostat, and light switches, security system with multiple cameras. There is a standard security system if you decide to activate it. Work from home? You will love the option to plug into wired Ethernet in each room for a smoother internet feed. Newer air conditioner. Corner lot, very convenient location. Schedule your showing today, this house won't last long.